Daughters of the American Revolution Immigrant Trail Chapter to this dedication of our Patriots plaque. I'm now going to ask you to stand if you can, and our chaplain will lead us in the benediction. Peggy. All right. Now, the Sons of the American Revolution will now post the colors. Please remain standing and salute the flag as it passes by.
Color guard, left face. Present colors. Color guard. Order arms.
Okay.
Color guard, right face. Forward march.
Of the American Revolution, for your patronage and support of your Sisters of DAR. Thank you. And you may stay around for refreshments afterwards. I want to welcome, we have a couple of surprise visitors today. Now, the other lady still lives in Cologne, Germany. And Angela Waninger and her niece, I believe it is, Rosalie Habig. Thank you for coming and sharing this moment with us. These two ladies right back here. Today we are here in this beautiful garden that stands as a refuge. Sorry, I don't have it. To many of our veterans who find peace here from a world they no longer feel a part of. We are here to unveil this plaque that joins with other plaques to remember and honor those who served in other American wars and conflicts through the years. However, this plaque has the significant distinction of being in memory of the war for our independence, one which set our patriots on the road to freedom from the tyranny of King George III and the United Kingdom. Our Daughters of the American Revolution worked diligently to research their lineage to find as many of their patriots as possible who fought the brave fight for that independence. Today, it is our honor and pleasure to officially unveil this forever remembrance for our community of our brave men and women who fought, suffered, and died that we may enjoy the freedom to assemble here in this garden without fear of being arrested on a whim of a government official. Ladies of the Immigrant Trail Chapter, if I could have 3 of you to come up and help me unveil this plaque. Sherry? Sue, you want to have... This is our American Revolutionary War plaque that will stand forever in this garden. I will read to you this plaque says. It's the American Revolutionary War, 1776 to 1783, the honoring those who fought and died to gain our freedom. April 19th, 1776, the shot heard round the world at Lexington, Massachusetts. General George Washington was the commander, also our first American president. American troops, that's not on here though. American troops, there were 217,000 Americans killed. There were 4,000 435. And on September the 3rd, 1783, the war ended with the Treaty of Paris. And at the bottom, it is signed by the Daughters of the American Revolution Immigrant Trail Chapter, chartered on December the 8th, 1951, in Auburn, California. Thank you, ladies. I do have, I'm going to introduce Dr. William Kirby. There you are, Bill. Is the city councilman, and he's here to say a word or two on
the Daughters of the American Revolution Immigrant Trail Chapter was chartered December 8th, 1951 in Auburn, California. And whereas their mission is to promote historic preservation, education, and patriotism, and their motto is God, home, and country. And whereas the national membership is 177,000 members with 3,000 chapters in all 50 states and Washington, D.C., as well as international chapters. Whereas the Immigrant Trail Chapter, NSDAR, commissioned a bronze plaque to be erected in the Armed Forces Pavilion and Community Garden on Lincoln Way in Auburn. This plaque has since been installed in a lovely space in the garden and is to be publicly dedicated on May 26, 2018. Now, therefore, I, Bridget Powers, Mayor of the City of Auburn, on behalf of the City Council, do hereby commend the Immigrant Trail Chapter, NSDAR, on having this plaque join others in the garden that are dedicated to other wars and conflicts which the United States has fought in, and that commemorate those who died defending freedom and democracy all over the world, and those who served. Issued this 26th day of May, 2018, Bridget Powers, Mayor. Thank you, Paula.
Thank you, Bill, very much. Give this to our historian, librarian, and actually I'll do that at our next meeting so we can share with the rest of the ladies. Now I'm going to call on Sergeant Major Terry Krausen and the Auburn Honor Guard, who will now present a 3-volley salute to our patriots.
We ask that each of you cover your heart with your right hand. Fellow veterans, feel free to give the appropriate salute. After firing 3 volleys, taps will be played. Continue the salute. Honor guard, attention, cut. Forward, forward. Tap right, peace. Ready, aim, fire. Aim, fire. Aim, fire. Half left, peace. Present, arms.
Now, if you will rise, and our chaplain will give the benediction now.
Almighty God, bless our country. May we, its citizens, be thankful for the blessings you have bestowed upon us. Keep our country, home, and family under your loving protection. Now may grace, mercy, and love abide with us all, now and forevermore. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you all, and I invite you to join us for refreshments in the lower garden. We have some beautiful cookies and refreshments. There's water and lemonade as well. Please join us. Thank you.
Flanders fields, the poppies blow. Between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place. And in the sky, the lark still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below.